Hey everybody, I'm back on the channel. Here I'm about to do a box opening of a GoPro suction cup mount. So I bought this device so I can get some different shots on the tractor. Maybe I'll put on the car as well. So I bought this company. It's called Delkin Devices. It's made in the US. This is the Fat Gecko mini mount, and on Amazon it came with the GoPro adapter. They have a different one that does not have the adapter included in the kit. Let's take a look at it. Also, I bought some tethers at the same time, so to try to prevent the GoPro from getting damaged if it were to fall off the suction cup, or if the suction cups came loose on the tractor and I don't want to run over on the bush hog. So I got these as well to attach the GoPro to the tractor. All right, so here it is again. This is the Fat Gecko mini mount suction cup. As you can see here, again, this is made by Delkin Devices. It says it holds up to 4 pounds. It does work on other types of cameras that have a traditional screw-in attachment. Here's the back. Let's get the thing open and we can look at it. Comes with the instructions, as you can see here. Here's the actual mount, and the way you attach is you push down and then tighten this up. This has multiple different ways to move the attached camera when you have it on your window or smooth surfaces. As you can see, there's a 360-degree rotation here. You'll lock this in. Lock this in here, and that's where you thread it onto the camera or onto the actual GoPro mount here. It also has an extension device as well, so you can get different shots. So we're going to test this out, put it on the tractor. Maybe today if I can get out there, definitely we'll put it on the car as well so we can get some different shots. All right guys, we're outside. I'm going to show you the demonstration of how to attach this thing, and also to show how strong the suction cup is. You can see when you place it on your smooth, clean, smooth surface, you just push down first, then you lift up the tab. And this thing is rock solid. It says it holds 4 pounds, but man, I'm really giving a good tug on this thing, and that thing is not going anywhere. So I feel confident on putting my GoPro on the outside of the car if we're going on some travels to make some different shots as well. So man, I love this thing already. I haven't even used it yet. But as far as, again, the company, this is made by Delkin Devices, and this is made in the US of A. Sweet.